Hello dear students, welcome to our online lesson. Today is our ninth lesson. So our topic is dedicated to global problems. Yes, it's a very interesting topic, I think, in my opinion. So our lesson today we will start our lesson with skimming this text, of course. So please, our text consists of some extracts, yes, which are dedicated to global problems, and I want you to read the text very attentively, uh, and then we will discuss it. Okay, the first extract tells us that there are many global problems, and they can be divided into two categories: ecological problems, social, economic, and political issues. So the first category includes issues relating to ecological destruction, pollution, global warming as a result. Yes? The second category of global problems deals with social, economic, and political issues. They include global terrorism, poverty, human rights, health issues, racism, and many others. So, I think that when we speak about pandemic, 2020, it's also a global problem, and we can refer it to the second category, health issues. Yes, because from this illness a lot of people suffer, a lot of people die, and it can be also a economic and political issue as well. So uh, the next excerpt tells us about terrorism, and that a lot of people suffer from it. So, and that America in on September 11, 2001, it was a very terrible and the most dangerous attack by terrorists, and very many innocent people were killed. So poverty is another issue about in this uh, text. Um, it may seem surprising, but almost all of humanity lives on just a few dollars a day now. The worst situation is in all, of course, in Africa. People die from hunger every day because they have nothing to eat. And of course, the problems of hunger, malnutrition, and diseases affect the poorest in the society, of course. Another global problem is racism, and I think it's not is the least important. Least it's not the least important. Uh, when people of different races, racism it is when people of different races and different skin color are humiliated and even killed. There are many organizations that fight social global problems, but this battle has lasted for a long time, and it will take much time for the solution of all them. So, it is very interesting and comprehensive text. Here you can see questions, 12 questions. You are welcome with your answers via Telegram. You can do it both oral or written. So, the first question: what global problems were there in the past? What are the two categories of global problems now? What does the first category include? Why is global warming considered a global warming problem? How does it affect nature? What global problems does the second category include? Why is terrorism a global problem? Is poverty a big issue nowadays, and why? What is racism and why is it a global problem? What other global problems can you mention? Is in what way can we fight global problems? What global problems do you think is the biggest one, and why do you think so? So here come useful words and phrases. Please um, write them down, and of course you should learn them by heart. And in order to learn them by heart efficiently, try please make up sentences with them. So let's move on our presentation. Okay, this presentation is dedicated to the environment. What is the environment? Our planet Earth is only a tiny part of the universe, but nowadays it is the only place where we can live. Yes? So, environment is the place where we live. It includes air, water, plants, animal, and sky. And the most accurate ecological problems: air pollution, water pollution, acid rains, ozone depletion, and animal extinction. Uh, as the author mentioned, there are five, um, let us say, problems, and I think that they are global problems as well. So let's move to another slide. What will happen if we don't protect our planet, nature, and environment? Our planet will become a great dump. People will wear masks because of the polluted air. There will be no trees, no green grass, everything will be of grey color. I think that it will be very bad. Look at this picture. I don't want to live in such kind of place. So here is a animated version. So, and the author here gives us the ways how to protect our nature, our planet. So, and the and the most important one is pre-cycling or recycling. Yes, it also can be very useful if we want to protect our nature. So, and dear students, if you enter the Moodle platform, you can see the video which we downloaded from YouTube, and of course word version of this lesson and presentation of this lesson, and at the end of each lesson we have tests which you should do it individually yourselves in order to get a mark. So today's our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.